Hi students, this is Viswanath, chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. See the next question. Which of the following is strongest base? Four compounds are given. In that strongest base we should find out. See here. Now option A I am writing here. NH2 C double bond O NH2. It has lone pair. Here also lone pair. Oxygen having two lone pair of electrons. Now these pi electrons are shifted here. Then this lone pair is shifted here. Then we can get resonance structure, that is double bond C. Negative charge is developed on this NH2. Now these pi electrons are shifted here. This lone pair is shifted here. Then we can get this one NH2C. Double bond plus. Okay, so these are the two resonating structures for this compound. Resonating forms. Option B. See here, NH2. Option B I am writing NH2 C double bond NH CH3. No resonating forms. No resonating forms. For these resonating structures are not possible. Option C. See here, NH2 CH CH3. For this compound also no resonating forms. No resonating forms are possible. Next, option D, this one, NH2 C double bond NH NH2. Option D, NH2 C double bond NH NH2. Okay, here lone pair of electrons, here also lone pair, here also lone pair of electrons are there. Now these pi electrons are shifted to this nitrogen, lone pair is shifted here. Then we can get resonating structures, that is NH2 plus double bond single bond nitrogen, two lone pairs, negative charge developed on this NH2. Now this lone pair is shifted here, then pi electrons shifts to this position. Then we can get resonating structure, that is NH2C single bond NH, negative charge on the nitrogen, here positive charge on the nitrogen, double bond NH2. Okay, so its name is guanidine. Now this guanidine, by accepting proton, if it accepts a proton, then we can get this structure NH2. I am writing as it is, single bond C, here also NH2. This NH becomes NH2 by accepting H plus ion. Then we can write NH2 positive charge. Okay, now these pi electrons are shifted here, lone pair is shifted here, then we can get NH2 plus C single bond NH2. Here NH2. Okay. Now this lone pair is shifted here. Pi bonds is shifted here. Then we can get, see here, NH2 single bond NH2. Here double bond nitrogen positive charge, this one NH2. What is the name of this one? Gunidinium cation. These are the resonating structures. Now observe these structures. This is gunidine. By accepting proton, we can get gunidinium cation. This gunidinium cation having 3 equivalent resonating structures. All are equivalent. See this? There is no difference between this and this structure. All are equivalent. So we can say gunidinium cation is stabilized by 3 exactly equivalent resonating forms. Exactly equivalent resonating forms, whereas gunidine has resonating forms. Gunidine has resonating forms involving charge separation. Therefore, what we can say, gunidinium cation is more stable. Gunidinium cation is more stable than gunidine. Based on the rules for resonating forms, we can conclude these statements. In the resonating structures, no charge separation, then that form is more stable. Charge separation is there, that form is less stable. In gunidine, charge separation is there. Positive charge, negative charge, positive charge, negative charge. But here, all the 3 structures are equivalent and no charge separation. That's why gunidinium cation having more stability than gunidine. This cation is more stable means, what is the meaning? This gunidine can accept proton easily. Any substance accept proton easily means its basic character is more. So from the given compounds, we can say this gunidine having more basic character. This is the strongest base. Then what is the option? Option D is the answer. Based upon the more stable conjugate acid, gunidinium ion is a conjugate acid of this gunidine. More stable conjugate acid is present for gunidine. That means it has more basic character.